We are interrupting regular programming with some breaking news. Governor Kemp and Public Health Commissioner Dr. Kathleen Toomey holding a press conference right now at Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport to talk about a new partnership to expand COVID testing. Let's listen in.
Jerome, Adams, thank you for coming back to Georgia. I also want to thank Chairman Rob Pitts, the Fulton County Chairman, Chairman Jeff Turner from Clayton County for being with us. I want to thank John Selden and all the folks from the Atlanta Airport for their commitment to what we're doing today and for their hospitality as well. And this is just a great location for this testing site, and I know that Dr. Adams will be speaking about that. You know, it was only a couple of weeks ago that Dr. Toomey and the Surgeon General and I traveled the state on our Wear a Mask fly around. As you remember, we were urging Georgians to wear a mask, practice social distancing, wash their hands, and continue to follow the guidance that we've had out there from our public health folks like Dr. Toomey. And today we're taking another step forward in the fight to stop the spread of COVID-19 here in Georgia. As you all know and have reported, we've seen some encouraging signs in recent weeks. For the first time since July the 18th, our active hospitalizations are below 3,000. That is a 10% drop in 10 days. Our report as of yesterday had hospitalizations at 2,850 in yesterday's report. Through the Georgia Coordinating Center, we are helping area hospitals provide the best care possible, and our hospital surge capacity plan is very strong, with numerous available beds at the Piedmont Tower as well as the Georgia World Congress Center site. We are seeing the curve flatten on new cases. The positivity rate continues to drop, and a continued decline in the effective reproduction rate of the virus. And while this is positive progress, we still have a ways to go. And moving forward, we will continue to work with the hospital leadership throughout the state on surge capacity to ensure that we have the resources needed to keep Georgians healthy. As of July 31st, our team at the Georgia Department of Community Health has surveyed 100% of our skilled nursing facilities for compliance with infection control measures. And we've led the way on implementing strict guidance to continue protecting the most vulnerable in our state. The shelter-in-place order for the medically fragile remains in place, and I'm confident that this data-driven approach is literally saving lives. On the testing front, we've also made great headway. We now have over 170 testing sites open across our state, and we've added nearly 20,000 tests to our daily capacity since July 1st. As we've added the new capacity, our positivity rate across the state and in many former hotspots is now declining. I'm grateful to all our partners in the private sector, in healthcare, and across all levels of government who have been working around the clock to make this possible. But to ensure a healthy Georgia, we cannot stop here. Right here in Clayton County, we're seeing one of the highest positivity rates in the state at around 20%. That is unacceptable, and that is why today is so important. We all know that testing is a key weapon in our fight to stop the spread of COVID-19. With robust, accurate, and accessible testing, we can find the virus, isolate it, and prevent the spreading. As we open this new mega site at Hartsfield-Jackson, we are adding 5,000 tests to our daily capacity here in the metro Atlanta area. And we will continue to monitor the data hourly, adjusting our strategy as needed to defeat COVID-19. As I've said before, we have come a long way, but we are not out of the woods yet, and we cannot take our foot off the gas. I'm asking that all Georgians continue to remain vigilant as we continue this fight. Wear a mask when you're in public and you cannot socially distance yourself. Socially distance yourself whenever possible. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. and continue to heed the advice of great public health officials like Dr. Toomey and our Surgeon General. If we work together and if we continue to take measured steps forward, we can protect the lives and the livelihoods of all Georgians and ensure a safer, healthier, and more prosperous future for our state. I want to again thank the Surgeon General, his team, and our department and our partners at the Department of Health and Human Services, as well as the Fulton County Department of Public Health and Hartsfield-Jackson for their tireless efforts to make today possible. And I want to especially thank the Department of Public Health, the Georgia National Guard, and our whole team at the Georgia Emergency Management Agency for what they have done through this pandemic to keep Georgians safe, and for working with Fulton County to staff this mega site. This has truly been a team effort, and we are blessed to have some of the best in the business. Thank you all for being here today, and it's my honor again to welcome our U.S. Surgeon General, Dr. Jerome Adams, back to the great state of Georgia.